October the 3rd, 2015. My first video with the new GoPro 4K. This is my control room. Calendar. My paperwork. Can you read it? That's my Mountain Dew. Kiln Boss. Samples. My microwave. This is my sample oven. I have two of them. One up there, one down below. This here would be the far east end of the kiln control room. I have controllers for kilns 4, 5, and 6 down here. I don't know how much you can see into the kiln, but this is kiln 5. Control room. My toolbox. My wrenches. Pliers and whatnot. Bolt stash. Spare bearings for the kiln shafts. My step ladder. This is the ladder I use to get up into the fan decks. Here's some cherry I got sitting around. Dried in the last charge. My trusty hand truck. I've had that for about 10 years. Got another sample oven down there for a backup. My radio. This is my scale. I've been using this for a long time too. Pretty reliable. I have kiln schedules for red oak. There's a whole pile of schedules. But these are custom schedules. Soft maple, cherry, hard maple, poplar, hickory. Yep, alright. My filing cabinet. These are all kiln papers. They're all kiln charges. Everyone's kiln mode. Let's go check out the pre-dryer. I have two kilns over here. That's kiln 7 and 8. I use those for maples. They have a variable speed fan. I can adjust the fan. Right now I have one kiln running out of 8. Slow time of the year, so we're down to just one kiln. It's set at 154, 110. I'll have it at 160, 115 before the end of the night. That's what I come in to change tonight. A spare workbench. We're putting a new roof over top the rubber roof on the kiln roof, so that's some foam inserts that goes underneath the new tin. Okay, let's gonna see how dark this camera gets. It is pitch dark out here. My light is broke. First night my light is broke. So bear with me as I walk across the parking lot here to the pre-dryer control room. This is our pre-dryer. It holds 500,000 board feet of lumber. This is the control room for the pre-dryer. We have two pre-dryers. This is my control panel. I have 3 zones, 1, 2, and 3. Zone 1 is completely shut off and blocked off. We're storing sawdust in there for the time being. 2 and 3 are running. The kiln runs all the time at 80 degrees. This one's a little warmer back in zone 3 at 84. I can change relative humidity sensors or temperature sensors. This is for zone 3. This is for zone 2. I can turn the heat off for the control for the zone. I can turn the heat off for the vents. The vents have their own heat supply, and I can turn the vents off completely right here. Here's my relative humidity sensors. I run it. It's set at 92, but it's drier than 92 in the pre-dryer. I had this one set a little bit higher because we got some green lumber sitting in there. We put in there just 2 days ago. Actually, we put in yesterday. But zone 1 is off. Zone 2 and 3 are running. And this here controls all my circulation fans. There's something like 44 fans, or 48 fans, I believe, in the pre-dryer. And I can turn off banks of 3. Each one of these controls a bank of 3 fans. They're downdraft fans. I can look for bad motor just by reading the gauge. We've got a couple control panel, a couple electrical panels here, my lights and whatnot. Everything's turned on. Let's go look at the lumber. There ain't much in here. Got another. Here's our John Deere tractor. Been with the company for a long time. Reliable. And that's part of our roof project that we're doing. This is our Taylor. Little girl's got some miles on her. This is our backup truck here. The fork truck operator runs a different fork truck, a Heister. Stupid driver. Here's our sawdust pile. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I know my original GoPro would not be able to pick it up in the dark. Alright, let's go in here. This is the pre-dryer. This is where all the green lumber comes in. This is my responsibility. I control this building. This is my lumber here. I'm responsible. This is the stuff that came in on Friday. Yeah, 10/1/15. Red oak, 1 common, 8 footers. A lot of 1 common. Nice lumber. Some more red oak. This stuff is brand new. 1, 2, and 3 common. 2 and 3 common. Up above you can see the circulating fan and the baffle system we have. The baffles raise and lower. I don't know if we'll pick this up in here. We'll get a good test of the camera. Low light. Let's see how it turns out. I got heating coils through the whole length of the building. Heating coils. And then I have heated vents too. So the air that's incoming air that gets heated before the pre-dryer. On the roof, down the center of the pre-dryer, I have large exhaust fans. They come on when the side ones come on. They work together. Gotta keep the relative humidity in here. Like I said, it's usually around mid-80s.